Once upon a time, a person arrived in a new village, relocating and wondering if they would like it there. Curious, they went to a Zen master and asked, "Do you think I will like it in this village? Are the people kind?" The master replied, "Tell me, how are the people in the town you came from?" The newcomer said, "They were cruel and selfish. They were angry, deceitful, and only lived to cheat and steal." The master nodded and said, "Then you will find the same kind of people here." The next day, another newcomer visited the master and asked the same question. The master asked again, "How are the people in the town you came from?" This newcomer replied, "They were kind and harmonious. They cared for each other and for the land, respected one another, and were seekers of spirit." The master smiled. "Then you will find the same people here." You see, in life, whatever you see in the world will reflect in you. See hope, goodness, and love, and the world will mirror that back to you. But if you only focus on greed, anger, and cruelty, that is what the world will show you in return. So be good to the world, and the world will be good to you. Give love, and love will come back to you. This is another story to inspire and motivate. Thank you for watching, and stay blessed. If you love more such videos, do subscribe and show some love, smiley face.